welcome back to my channel, Glamour Has No Age. Today I figured we'd do a little get ready with me with the Natasha Denona mini nude palette. I also have the Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer I got from BoxyCharm. Yes, I signed up for BoxyCharm. I'm on my third box with them, and I like it. Well, anyways, I have my sunscreen on, so I'm gonna go in with this tinted moisturizer. I've never used one before. The color in this is LG3. I like it. I like the coverage it's given me. This has, I believe, SPF 20 in it as well. It does, broad spectrum. And what are the main ingredients? I don't know because I don't have my glasses with me. Uh-oh. Trying to film in 4K today. We'll see how that goes. I'm gonna put on my Milani eye primer. I have a new bronzer, not new to market, but new to me. It is the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer in Tantastic. Looks like that. Ooh, this is quite pigmented. I like the color. I just got a little bit too much. Bronzer everywhere. Then I'm gonna go with one of my new melt blushes. Should I do Golden Hour or should I do Honey Thief? I'm gonna do Golden Hour. looks pretty. Let me give you some swatches of the nude palette in case this is new to you, although I highly doubt it. One. And then the last one. It looks like they're a mixture of cream matte, metallic, duochrome. Yeah, that's what they are. Those are her best formulas, by the way. I'm going to take my reference number 16, which is a blending brush. I'm going to go into this color right here and put that in my crease. Pretty so far. I'm gonna take this reference number 28 and go into this color right here and put that in my outer V. I'm going to take that reference blending brush again and try to diffuse it a bit. Then I'm going to use this shader brush, the reference number 2, and I'm going to go into this duochrome right. I'm going to go into this duochrome right here. So far, I like this palette. I'm going to put on some mascara. I have a nude Natasha Denona nude lip in Beatrice. It's a nude pink. And that's it. That's the end of my Get Ready With Me. If you like videos like this, consider subscribing. And also, hit the like button. It helps me be seen by other people. Thank you.